Are you tired of spending hours editing every single short-form clip from your longer videos? Today I'm going to show you how to use Vizard to automatically turn your long recordings into high-performing clips for Reels, TikToks, and YouTube Shorts without living in your editor. Think of Vizard as a digital assistant that instantly knows what's viral, handles the formatting for different platforms, and manages your entire posting schedule. First, it's helpful to understand the two main workflows you'll use, the Instant Auto Clip feature and the Pro Edit mode. The Instant Auto Clip is essentially the fast lane for content creation. You simply drop in your raw footage, and Vizard scans it to find highlight moments, adds captions, generates thumbnails, and outputs files in minutes. This is perfect when you need to batch process content, test 50 different hooks, or repurpose a single long live stream into 10 separate clips. The second mode, Pro Edit, is where you or your editor take those initial suggestions and truly refine them. Here you have complete control to tune the pacing, swap in your own B-roll, adjust the color, or add custom branding for a highly polished look. Use this workflow when you need a consistent tone across a series of episodes, or when you need very specific messaging for your audience. Before you get started, keep in mind that source quality still plays a huge role in your final results. Try to record in a quiet room with consistent framing and avoid crosstalk or background music during the specific parts you want to clip. Even though Vizard's auto-captioning is incredibly forgiving, clear audio is always the secret to keeping your viewers engaged. Also remember that longer source videos are gold because they provide more opportunities for Vizard to find strong hooks and emotional beats. A 1-hour live stream can often yield 20 to 50 usable clips, while a short 10-minute video might only give you a handful. To get started, open Vizard, create a new project, and upload the long video you want to repurpose. Once uploaded, select the Auto Clip mode to let the AI scan for those high-energy moments and potential hooks. Choose your target platform, desired length, and tone preferences, then hit Generate to let the system go to work. In just a few minutes, you'll have a set of clips ready to preview with auto-generated captions and thumbnail suggestions. Feel free to make small inline edits like trimming the start or end, swapping the caption, or picking a different cover frame. When a clip is perfect, go ahead and add it directly to your posting queue using the Auto Schedule feature. You can tell Vizard exactly how often you want new clips to go live, and it will space them out to avoid platform conflicts. This completely frees you from the daily grind of manual posting and keeps your content stream consistent. For the Pro Edit workflow, start by uploading your long videos, ideally feeding the system a few hours of content so it learns your rhythm and signature phrases. In the Pro Timeline, you can accept Vizard suggestions but then layer in your own brand bumpers, lower thirds, and color grades. Pro Edit also supports multi-angle uploads, so if you recorded with 2 cameras, Vizard can automatically switch to the best angle for each cut. When you're finished, export the entire batch as a set of deliverables fully optimized for each specific platform. A great pro tip is to always make sure your main hook happens in the first 3 to 5 seconds of the original recording. If you are serious about professional results, normalize and lightly compress your master audio before uploading to ensure the captions are tight and levels stay steady. People often ask how Vizard compares to other tools, and the answer is that it's purpose-built for repurposing at scale. While tools like Adobe Premiere offer total control and Descript is great for audio-first edits, Vizard wins on discovery, automated clipping, and cross-platform scheduling. It allows you to spend less time on context switching between apps and more time creating content that actually builds your audience. Remember, no tool is magic, and you should always perform a quick quality check on your automated thumbnails and captions. If you want to try this yourself, just upload a longer video, run the auto clip feature, and set a simple schedule of 2 clips per week. Within a few weeks, you'll have a fully functioning pipeline of evergreen content that works for you even when you aren't at your desk. If you have questions about getting the best clips from your specific type of content, like gaming streams or webinars, let me know in the comments. And if you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss future tips on practical AI workflows. Thanks for watching, and go out there and turn those long videos into a bunch of viral clips.